Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to buy Robux using Cash App. So first of all, you need to log into your roblox.com, then click the Robux balance on the top right and choose buy Robux. Now you need to choose the amount of Robux you want to buy, for example, 400. And before we will select the payment option, I will remind you that you need to have a Cash App card to provide this payment. So to use Cash App for buying Robux, you need to have a Cash App card. If you don't know how to get it, you need to open Cash App. Then you need to click the card icon on the bottom menu, and from here you can get Cash App card. Guys, just click get your free card, but before we'll get it, you need to verify your identity, guys. So first of all, you need to get the Cash App card, and once you will get the card, then select debit card right here, and you need to provide all of the information. You need to enter your email address. You need to enter your Cash App debit card info, which is your card number, expiration date, CVC, full name on card, and you need to select your country, guys, which is United States. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.